I'm literally like so professional now. I have a mic and everything.
1, 2, 3, 4, let me scream if you want some more. Like, push it, watch me work it. I'm perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, let me scream.
Very whitewashed. But that's just me in general. So last night I was on a deep dive on TikTok. I've got this obsession at the moment with people's like last meals, like their death row meal. And is it Mythical Kitchen or something like that? They have like a big interviewing process, and then you get to see celebrities, and celebrities like favourite food, and then last meal, and I'm obsessed with it. And someone, I think it was Terry Crews, said about Nobu's crispy rice sushi thing, and I've never had it, and I'm very jealous. But this is something which I want to try. So I thought, let's try it now, and then I can go to Nobu and taste the difference and see what it's gonna be like. This is so smoked salmon, not actually what I was supposed to get, like some sort of tuna. But I was looking on the back of all the tunas, and it was like saying that you need to cook them, and the recipe that I've got in my head, you don't need to cook the tuna. So I got salmon because I know I would not murder anyone. Emma Chamberlain was talking about orange wine, and I was trying to find orange wine, couldn't find it. Orange spritz is what we've got. And then we've got everything else. The rice cooker is on at the moment, making some rice. And then I just got some little seasoning-y bits and some Asian style mayo, because I think this will be better. I feel like I should get out of my coat, but also it's like adding to the outfit. If I don't, I'm literally wearing all beige. Changed my full outfit, so I'm in comfies now, and we're just gonna get on with it. Here we go. So my rice is already cooked because I come from an Asian household, so there's always rice cooked. Brilliant, just like that. So I have to take this over to the rice machine. So what I've done is I've just like packed the rice in here as much as I could. But yeah, and then they say to put it in the freezer, but I feel like it still needs to be compressed. Should I get like a book? I literally forget where everything is in this house. But I got a bit of a fear with salmon because I'm not fear. I can't eat salmon, but I don't like the thought of it, you know? I probably should wash my hands. Yes, this is me, the new sort of Delia Smith. It's Yaz Smith. Also, they call me Greg Wallace, the new... I think if anyone's looking for a new replacement for him, I'll be there. I'll volunteer. But yeah, it is sushi. This would be like a great... I want to learn to cook, so if we make this a series, and if everyone adores me, loves me, I'm like Nigella and become big and famous from this, then life is complete, life is successful, life is great. Not that this is much cooking, but everyone's got to try somewhere. I actually have always loved watching people cook more than cooking itself. Do you know what? I probably don't mind cooking. It's just the tidying up. I'm not someone who enjoys that. If you're looking at me and think she is butchering that, she is. I used to watch, when I was really little, that is why you wear acrylics, because that was safety guard right there. I used to watch a program called My Big Fat Virgin Kitchen or something, My Virgin Kitchen. I think I was getting confused with My Big Fat Gypsy Wedding and My Virgin Kitchen. Both very great shows. But I used to be obsessed. He would like make giant Mars bars and stuff. But nothing has intrigued me and made me want to cook more than this right now. Or this last night when I was in my deep dive on TikTok. I say that I am dying to learn how to make a beef Wellington. I can't stop thinking about a beef Wellington. And I can't remember, apart from the Marks and Spencer's oven one that I had the other day, when I had a proper beef Wellington. I don't think I actually ever have. It's really like English, you know, almost more English than me. So let's try and just like hack at it all, I reckon. I don't know what these little black bits are. Don't feel comfortable about that, so let's just slice that off. But yeah, I have next to no cooking skills. I tried the Anna Paul pasta. Vile, absolutely vile. I think I nearly burnt the house down, and my dad also just was very disappointed in me. I think the Smith name was almost revoked from that incident, because my dad's a pretty good cook, my mum's a good cook, and my nan is a brilliant cook. Oh my God, she cooked these Scotch eggs the other day. They were literally like Michelin star worthy. She's honestly an icon. This is why you would think I would be a brilliant chef. Why are my fingers stinging? Maybe I'm allergic to salmon. I want to flick my hair, but smishy, smishy, fishy, fishy girl. Right, now we're just gonna make the sauce up. Realistically, I did watch a bunch of TikTok videos on this, and I was following a step-by-step routine, but that has gone out the window because I reckon I know more. Like most things, I know more. I'm gonna make it kind of like a prawn cocktail sauce, like a rosemary sauce. So I'm gonna add some Lea Perrins in, got the ketchup, and for a bit of we got a bit of Tabasco. Worse. Yeah, let's bring out the big guns. Let's just go all in and use some more salmon. Look at what we already had. Bougie salmon. I should have just gone straight in with the bougie salmon. Oh, she says. Oh my God, it's got layers. Ogres are like onions. We got layers. I just feel like I'm touching up the salmon now because I can't really it's like I'm trying to read Braille, trying to find where it just stops and starts. I think I should do this in a Nigella voice. I gotta do it now gracefully. Can't do that, that's so fucking weird. Oh, and it dices beautifully. This is what I wanted, the pastels. Ooh. For king, for country. Let's just start that up. Yeah, that's just got oil and rice. Success rate, I'd say we're given about a 70% success rate here. I actually can hear the phone ringing, and that is James Martin. But I'm just gonna have to tell him I'm a busy girl. For you. And you. Slight disappointment of the family. But now, I also need you to look Michelin star. So you need to work with me here. I feel like if I could flip you, nope, you are crumbling. You got a lot of pressure, I understand. It happens to the best of us. This is the mixture, in case you... Oh my God, no, not on the plate. God, Chef Ramsay's gonna kill me. I'm sorry, but that right there. Yasmin is serving it. Salmon on top of rice. So now it's time for the moment of truth to see if this tastes alright. Oh, looks so... I'm scared. That's actually not bad. Actually, I've done a great job. I think, normally I put things in my mouth and I think, oh, I mean of like what I cook. And that I can eat. That I want to eat again and again. That I've done well. That has been a success. Okay? I'm lost for words at my genius and my greatness. But how simple is that? Brilliant. I done it. I'm successful. I'm great at everything at the end of the day. So were we really shocked? Not really. But here we are. We've done it. We completed this. See that ball? Knocked it out of the park. Well done, Yaz. Bravo. And thank you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And maybe I'll think of something else to try and create. And I will have an array of stuff up my sleeve. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I kind of don't want to eat this because I want everyone to try this little bit of the Ever Successful bar because nothing else was. So